Hey Drive Lab viewers, join me as I dive into the nitty-gritty and expose everything you need to know about the Porsche Panamera GTS. In this video, you'll discover the hidden features and performance capabilities of the Porsche Panamera GTS, a car that combines luxury with raw power. Many car enthusiasts struggle to understand how the Panamera GTS balances the line between a sports car and a luxury sedan. The Panamera GTS is often overlooked in favor of its more performance-oriented cousins like the 911. But this car has a unique set of skills that make it an attractive option for those who want the best of both worlds. Despite its luxurious interior and comfortable ride, the Panamera GTS is a force to be reckoned with on the road. Its sleek design and powerful engine make it a head-turner, and its innovative features set it apart from its competitors. So what makes the Panamera GTS tick, and how does it manage to walk the tightrope between luxury and performance? The Panamera GTS's design is a masterclass in restraint, with subtle cues that hint at its performance capabilities without sacrificing its luxurious aesthetic. The interior is opulently appointed, with premium materials and attention to detail that make it feel like a private lounge on wheels. But beneath the surface lies a beast waiting to be unleashed. And it's this contrast that makes the Panamera GTS so compelling. At its heart is a powerful V8 engine that produces 453 horsepower, making it capable of 0-60 in just 3.9 seconds. You will explore the design, technology, and performance specs that set the Panamera GTS apart from its competitors, diving into its powerful engine and innovative features. The Panamera GTS's engine is a marvel of modern engineering, with a clever combination of turbocharging and direct fuel injection that makes it both powerful and efficient. Its 8-speed PDK transmission is equally impressive, providing lightning-quick shifts that make the most of the engine's output. And with features like launch control and a sport exhaust system, the Panamera GTS is ready to take on the track or the open road. The Panamera GTS's advanced technology is another area where it shines, with features like adaptive cruise control and a 360-degree camera system that make it a breeze to drive in heavy traffic or tight spaces. Its infotainment system is equally impressive, with a high-resolution touchscreen display and seamless integration with your smartphone. And with advanced safety features like lane change assist and blind spot monitoring, the Panamera GTS has got your back no matter where you are on the road. The key moment will reveal the driving experience of the Panamera GTS, showcasing its speed, handling, and comfort, which truly elevate it above the rest. What's it like to drive a car that can go from 0-60 in under 4 seconds, yet still provide a comfortable ride and all the amenities you need? The Panamera GTS is an exercise in contrasts, a car that can be both fierce and refined depending on your mood. Its precision handling and responsive steering make it a joy to carve up twisty roads, while its adaptive suspension ensures that even the roughest surfaces can't disrupt your comfort. On the open road, the Panamera GTS is a revelation. Its powerful engine and smooth transmission, making it feel like an extension of your body. You feel connected to the road, yet isolated from the outside world, making it the perfect car for a long road trip or a spirited drive through the countryside. And with its advanced safety features and luxurious interior, the Panamera GTS is the perfect car for anyone who wants it all. The key moment will reveal the driving experience of the Panamera GTS, showcasing its speed, handling, and comfort, which truly elevate it above the rest. Whether you're tearing up the track or just running errands, The Panamera GTS is a car that will put a smile on your face every time you get behind the wheel. Its incredible acceleration, precise handling, and luxurious interior make it a unique proposition in the world of luxury cars, and one that's hard to resist. The Panamera GTS is a car that will surprise you at every turn, a true wolf in sheep's clothing that will leave you grinning from ear to ear. So what do you think makes the Panamera GTS so special? Is it its incredible performance, its luxurious interior, or its innovative features? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury car reviews and exposés. What's your favorite feature of the Panamera GTS, and what other luxury cars do you want me to review next? Let me know and I'll do my best to deliver.